Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Tony. So, welcome back to my Me Time Coffee vlog. Y'all, this week is all about testing and refining the perfect fragrances as well as the perfect cup of coffee. So, right now I am doing this thing called candle math, y'all. There is math involved in candle making. So, I'm about to start making some test candles, do another round of coffee tasting, and get ready to send out some samples. Let's dive into the process. All right, so I'm finally excited that I got everything I need to at least make the test candles. I'm very excited to see how these turn out. I want to give off a cozy vibe when it comes to the candles, and I want it to complement the perfect cup of coffee, setting the mood during your me time. All right, let's get to pouring these and seeing how they come out. So basically what I'm doing right now is like cleaning off everything. In the spray bottle, I just have just some alcohol and water, 1-for-1 mix, and then like getting everything kind of like set up to where it needs to be. So right here, I am redoing this candle math because when I finally figured out the formula that I wanted to use, I did not put it for the actual a right amount of ounces. Um, there is a pour, like a fill amount, and then there's a amount for the size of the vessel. So the candle, the thing that you pour the candle in, is called like vessels. Also, right now, I am putting in my wax. I am using a coconut apricot wax. For those that don't know me, like I'm sort of almost a clean freak, and I actually stopped using candles a long time ago, just because of the smell. There were so many chemicals, and I would get a headache. So I switched to diffuser natural blends, and then I got more into looking at different candles and noticing that there's different type of waxes that you can use and more of a cleaner wax. So I'm gonna go with the coconut apricot cream wax. Now, if you do not like coconut and you do not like apricot, you do not have to worry. The wax will take on the smell of whatever fragrance blend that I choose to use. Right now, I am putting in the wicks. I am using wooden wicks, more for aesthetics, but also all natural. And those are the vessels that I'm using for one of the first test candles. So there's two type of temperatures that you have to worry about. You have to worry about the um, temperature that you have to get the wax up to in order for a proper melt, and then the temperature that the wax needs to come down to make sure that it's the proper temp in order to be able to pour the candle fragrance. All right, so based off some research, 2 minutes may seem excessive, but 2 minutes is like the stir time to make sure that the wax and that fragrance like melds the best type of smell. So that's it for the week. Lots of testing and refining ahead. I'm so excited to keep you guys along on this journey as we get closer to launching Me Time Coffee. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe.